What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy. We're back. Happy Friday, dude. I gotta have a losing day coming soon, man. I've been killing it. Past 3 weeks, really. The chat's probably everyone's doubled their accounts, if not more. So today we have news. We got Powell speaking. So personally, I don't touch the charts at all when Powell speaks. He was coming on at 12, so 12:30. So we made our money on the way down in this little breakout and sold actually here. Well, that was for a retrace, but there's NVIDIA too. Yeah, sold here at this fair value gap. Sorry, not wearing my sling. All right, let's get into it. So, man, we hit a couple trades today. Some of them were some quick ones. They were hard to catch. I could have made a lot more money on NVIDIA, but I just did like two contracts because I don't know. I was sketched out with the market today, so I don't like going heavy if I'm not feeling it. Like if my guts like don't go heavy, I'm not going heavy. Just because I don't want to risk any of my profits. I'm that slow and consistent trader. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you can make 300% in one trade. Can it happen? Yes. Do we hit them sometimes? Yes. But that's not realistic every day. Every day realistic, just risk, 10% of your account, let's say, and if you plan your trade and trade your plan and it plays out, be done with it. So like for SPY, we were all this morning. We actually started this morning. We did get stopped out, right? We took well, I was in one here, but I got stopped out here anyways. So I told the chat to take calls. Believe it was at the break of right here. So entry calls. This was me. I was a little impatient. I was looking at it and I was like, oh yeah, like if we're gonna break, bounce, and go up to at least here. So that was on me. I had this line here. All I had to do was zoom out a little bit, and I could have seen wicked and right back under, rejected, and then we did break, but that instant next candle was where that we didn't get any confirmation yet. So that was on me. However, after we stopped out, it wasn't a big loss for people. Um, we obviously saw the downtrend, so we grabbed some puts here, and then we rode them down to equal lows. We sold right here. So that was. Let me get to. Boom. All right. Yeah. So I even said, high risk, light size position, 576 calls here. Stop losses on y'all because I just like my stop loss is a little bit different. I actually didn't even set one for this. I was like, all right, let's see, because it didn't break yet. So that was, it was just whatever, tweaked. So stopped out, hit shorts as well, TP 570. So now we're in shorts, right? So stopped out in shorts. So we actually entered the shorts here, um, and then sold, and then throughout this time we were in NVIDIA and Tesla a little bit. So yeah, so we did that, right? We trim here, fully out. Let's see, and then if NVIDIA breaks, I will be grabbing puts. In NVIDIA 109 puts. And those things just took off, dude. I mean, those were great. So NVIDIA hit, right? We just broke under, had this retest. That's where we entered. And then, yeah, we rode NVIDIA down great. So that was beautiful play. And then we sold, I think we sold at the bottom, honestly. Saved a runner. Well, let's see. 40. Yeah, so we sold here. So this was my TP that I wanted. And I think my break below here is when we entered. because I was like, all right, we could bounce, and go up more, but that's where we broke. So that's when I called it out, and then we entered, retraced, cool, took it to here. So this was like an add position, right? So we entered at the break of it, came back up. I was pretty much right back at break even. So I added to my position with a stop loss right here at 112.20, and then came all the way down, and my TP line was originally 108.51. So I mean, really from 111 to 108, that's a 1 to 3. So always make sure the risk to reward, I'm not touching it unless it's at least a 1 to 2. And then it's really about just letting them play out. So after that, we went into, lotto play out here. So we're going to do SPY break and retest of this downtrend. Just going to take one contract up to 569.5. Entered, TP hit, all out. So that was, let's see, 569.5. All right. So go back to SPY. Yeah, I mean, I said 569.5, but my TP was just right in this little fair value gap. And then I've seen people go crazy before. So that's why I was like, you could hold to the top of the day, go grab the rest of this liquidity up here. I mean, it could potentially break through here, and it could go. We don't know what's going to happen with the news. It could go or it could drop. So just waiting to see. We're still making lower lows. This was a huge daily zone. So you can see we got a little. We might make a bullish pin bar on the day, and then we can finally go grab this liquidity way back up. Really, we could go way back. I don't think we will. We'll see. Just gonna keep grabbing liquidity one day at a time. That's all the market does, target liquidity. So, but yeah, let's see. Tesla smacked. So we have this 255.57, and then we broke below it, retraced, right? So I believe I was watching this on the 15. Yeah, I saw the break and close, and then it was just creeping up. Boom, entry, and TP. So that was the trade that I planned, and the trade that I took, and it played out. I even sold early. I'm still working on letting myself hold these to the full TP. I think I sold it like right here, right around here. So I only admit, that was another $2. So even that one contract would have moved a little bit. And yeah, that was pretty much all the trades for the day today. Again, dude, we're only going up.